Hello everyone, welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop this 3D model in SolidWorks software. Now open SolidWorks 2025 software and choose Extrude Boss or Base. Here it's showing different types of planes. Once again, carefully see the given image. First, you need to construct the base model. This base is in the shape of rectangle solid. These dimensions are 96 mm length, 64 mm width. Okay, by using these two dimensions, you have to construct the base model. So that is appear in the top view. That's why I am choosing this top plane. Okay, for constructing that base model, I am choosing corner rectangle. From this center point, draw one corner rectangle, then give the dimensions by using small dimension. This dimension is 96 mm and this width is 64 mm. 64, enter, and exit from this workbench. Now apply the thickness. The thickness is 16 mm. 16, enter. Now click on OK. After this, once again careful see the given image. When you're seeing from top side, this cutting portion is appear in the right side. So these dimensions are, this length is 20 mm, this curved diameter is 16 mm, and this uh, length from this starting edge 24 mm. So for that purpose, that is the cutting part. So that's why I'm choosing extruded cut option and select this face. Now I'm choosing this option, that is straight slot. So locate one point on this right edge and you can move your cursor to the left side. Now click on here and expand this one. Now give the dimensions by using smart dimension. You know that the gap between this edge and this edge, that is 24 mm. 24, enter. Next give the dimension for this curve. That curve diameter is 16, so radius is 8 mm. Then this edge, this length is 20 mm. 20, enter. Okay, after this exit from this workbench. Okay, now okay, this width is 16 mm, so that is equal to that solid model, so no need to change that value, just only click on OK. That part is removed. Just you can click on mouse left button somewhere in the screen, that portion will be removed. Okay, after this once again careful see the given model. In the left side, this curvature portion is there. First you need to construct one rectangle model, then apply the fillet. Yes, now choose extruded boss or base, select this surface, then construct one rectangle by using corner rectangle. You can start from here, you can click on here. Next give the dimensions. This height is 64 mm. 64, enter. Okay, for moving any model in the SolidWorks, just you can hold control and mouse middle button just to drag to somewhere. Okay, this is the way to you can pan the models in SolidWorks. Hold control button and mouse middle button. You can also give the dimension for this one. This is also 64 mm. Yes, correct. Okay, after this, okay, I am choosing normal to this one. Next apply the fillet to this right side. Select this edge and this edge. This curvature radius is 48 mm. 48, fillet parameter 48, enter. Now click on OK. I can click on OK, exit from this workbench, apply the thickness. that is towards right side, not left side, so that's why you need to change the direction. Thus that width is, our thickness is 16 mm, then click on OK. Okay, after this, once again carefully see the given image. This portion is there, this curved portion, diameter 24, this width 8, this width 8, and height 28, this part 22 mm from this edge. So first I need to construct one rectangle block on that surface. So choose extruded boss or base on this surface, choose rectangle, corner rectangle. From this point draw, construct one rectangle, then give the dimensions. The distance between this edge and this edge, that is 24 mm, 22 mm. After this, this length is 40. Yes, 8 plus 24 plus 8, that is 40. See here, 8 plus 24 plus 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 24 40. Now exit from this workbench. Yes, that height is 28 mm, so you can apply the height, that is 28 mm, then click on enter button. Now click on OK. Okay, after this you need to remove this portion, that is in the semicircle portion, the diameter is 24 mm. So now removing parts, I am choosing extruded cut option. So select the surface that is in the shape of semicircle, so that's why I am choosing circle command. Middle, from midpoint construct one circle, that diameter is 24 mm, 24 mm. Now exit from this workbench. Just you can drag this arrow mark to exit. Now click on OK. Otherwise you can choose throw all or up to next, whatever it may be. Just click on OK. The portion will be removed. Okay, after this one more part is pending, that this triangular portion. So that's why I am choosing extruded boss or base, selecting the back side surface, this one. Now I'm choosing line command, line tool. Just select this one, select this vertex and bottom vertex. Now exit from this line tool, click escape button, exit from this workbench. It is asking that close sketch with model edges, so reverse direction to close sketch, yes. Then that is towards left side, so change the direction. That width is 12 mm, 1 2 enter, click on OK. Okay, this is the way to construct any 3D model in SolidWorks. I hope you enjoyed in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.